Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a KAWS figure. First, gather your sculpting materials. You will need a good quality sculpting clay, a set of sculpting tools, and an armature for internal support. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Selecting the right clay, such as polymer or air dry, is crucial for achieving the desired finish and durability. Now, let's start sculpting the basic form. Begin by building up the clay around your armature, focusing on the overall silhouette of a KAWS figure. Pay close attention to the distinctive head shape and body proportions. Gradually add and smooth the clay, ensuring the figure maintains balance and structural integrity. This stage sets the foundation for all the finer details. Next, it's time for the intricate details. Carefully sculpt the iconic X, eyes, and other facial elements that define a KAWS figure. Use smaller tools for precision. Once the details are complete, meticulously smooth the entire surface of your sculpture. This step is vital for a professional finish, removing any marks or uneven textures before the curing process. Finally, cure your KAWS figure following your clay's specific instructions, which might involve baking at a certain temperature for a precise duration. After curing, apply a primer, then paint your figure using acrylics, ensuring smooth, even coats for a vibrant finish. Don't forget to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Once painted, seal your creation with a protective varnish to enhance its durability and give it a professional sheen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.